Hello, easy homeworks. Today we'll see parts of speech, the primary and secondary. The parts of speech help you express your idea. You name a thing, you describe it, it does an action, you intensify the action, you replace a name, you connect the idea, you relate the idea, and you add emotion. Now, what do you see? City, boy, lion. Now they have names. And this is the first element of the speech, the noun, the names of things. We add an article to define it, and we have the city, the boy, the lion. And then, oh, look how different they look. Now the name is not enough to express our idea. So we add a new word. And we have amazing city, cool boy, fabulous lion. And this is the second element of the speech, the adjective, a word that modifies the noun by describing it. For example, the beautiful love. Love is the noun, beautiful is the adjective. We have our fabulous lion, cool boy, and amazing city. And then they change again. Wow, spectacular, no? But now the adjective is not enough to express our idea. So we add a new word. And now the lion is not only fabulous, it is incredibly fabulous. The boy is not only cool, it is super cool. And the city is not only amazing, it is really amazing. This is the third element of the speech, the adverb, a word that modifies the adjective by emphasizing it. For example, the absolutely beautiful love. Love is a noun, beautiful is the adjective, and absolutely is the adverb that modifies the adjective. Next, we need to ask, what do they do? Well, the incredibly fabulous lion eats meat. The super cool boy plays ball. And the really amazing city surprises people. This is the fourth element of the speech, the verb, the action of the noun. For example, the absolutely beautiful love will help people. Love is a noun, beautiful the adjective, absolutely is the adverb that modifies the adjective, and help is the verb. Next, we ask, how do they do it? Well, the lion eats meat happily, the boy plays ball enthusiastically, and the city surprises people always. This is another adverb, but in this case modifies the action. Yes, the adverb modifies other elements of the sentence. For example, the absolutely beautiful love will help people forever. Love is the noun, beautiful is the adjective, absolutely is the adverb that modifies beautiful, help is the verb, and forever is the adverb that modifies help. Fill the line with the words in the squares. Name the drawing with a noun. Lion. Describe the lion. Dangerous lion. How dangerous is? Really dangerous. What does the lion do? The lion roars. How does the lion roar? The lion roars loudly. Now you know the most important parts of the speech. Secondary parts. We have two sentences. We use a conjunction to connect them. Marta does, Marta studies. We replace one with a pronoun to avoid repetition. Marta in school. We use a preposition to show relation. Wow! We use an interjection to show emotion. One more time. He replaces Joe, while connects Joe listens with he does. On shows relation between YouTube and music, and O is the emotion. Now you do it. Find the pronoun, the conjunction, the preposition, the interjection. These are the last 4 elements of part of speech. Now find all parts of speech starting with the 3 nouns, 2 verbs, 1 adjective, 2 adverbs, 1 conjunction, 1 pronoun, 1 preposition, 1 interjection, and the articles. Easy, right? Here are some examples of all parts of speech, and we'll give you some tips about the position of the adjective and the adverb. Now the tips. When the adverb modifies the verb, we can place it at the end. Opened an eye slowly. At the beginning, slowly the dog opened an eye. At the middle, that means before the verb. Quickly answered. Can quickly answer. About the adjective position, we normally see the adjective after the verb to be. This is a complete sentence with the subject, the verb, and the complement. We can also see the adjective before the noun. The only difference is that you can continue the sentence. This is everything about parts of speech. That's it. Now you can do your homework. This is Easy Homework. See you next time.